Good Thursday morning. The post-election hangover was harsh yesterday, but again, we were rallied almost 25% from 825 up to 1,010, almost 200 points, which does work out to be really right on the 25%. So we have done that. We're trading now currently 944, which is about where we were trading overnight. We were as low as 938. Maybe 937s it looks like here. Yeah, 935.75 was our low overnight. We traded as high as 959 here this morning, and then we have sold back off. I'm not sure why we had this rally here. I wasn't watching the markets at 4 a.m. Pacific, but they did run back up, and now they're running back down with some poor retail numbers. Again, not shocking. John Chambers last night saying he's never seen it so bad. Folks, this stuff is not going away overnight just because we had an oversold bounce, and just because we've cut interest rates, and just because we've created a TARP, a facade, if you will. The money is still tight out there, although the LIBOR is down. It's still much higher than it was, say, a year ago, 2 years ago. So nothing has gotten better overnight. This is not going to be an overnight phenomena that just picks itself up and goes away. So if you're looking to be a buy and holder, again, this is not a buy and hold market. This is a trader's market. If you don't want to be involved, pull your money out of the market and stay in cash until it is a buy and hold market. Again, you look on a weekly chart, and when you can see the moving averages turn back up, head back up, as a long-term holder, that's the time to buy. But that'll be, again, probably a year or two still out from this point. And you'll have plenty of time to get in, and you won't pick the exact bottom. You'll miss probably 5% of that bottom, but that's not a big deal. So wherever the bottom is, you'll find it. The charts will tell you, but we're nowhere near them right now on a long-term chart. So that being said, trade on your futures today. The S&P pivot is around 962. I'd be a seller up to about 965, 966. Again, we're at 945, so we're a good 20 points below that. But if we can rally back up, I would be a seller here this morning. We've got the jobs number tomorrow morning. I don't see people buying right now with the momentum pointing downward. Your 50% retrace of this entire move is somewhere around that 915. 896 is also a key number. That's the next fib number. So I'm looking at. I know why the rate cuts we had rate cuts all across Europe, 1.5 out of England. That's why we rallied there, but we've sold them off again. So, again, the market's telling us that government intervention is not what they want to see. This is just not going to help. It's just going to create more problems in the long run. So, get your hands out of the pot, government. Stop printing money. Stop lowering interest rates. Please go away. Let the market shake out. True libertarians, true traders don't want intervention. It does not help us in the long run. So, that's my 2 cents again there today. So, interest rate cuts all over Europe. Oil trading downward again today. Oil's around 64, 63.50. I saw this morning before I left the house, and we'll see where we go. But again, today I'm leaning more on the bear side again. But I don't want to. If you haven't been short from yesterday when we were selling up towards that 1,000 area on the S&P, we're already down a nice 5-6% from there. Take it easy. I wouldn't be piling into a new short here. So we're kind of in this middle zone. Where I'd probably want to start buying down towards 915 to 880 on the long side for another reactive bounce to the upside. I'd probably be selling some puts down there if we get to those levels. I'd be selling some puts on some specific names that I'm following, and probably get long some index via the puts there also. So keep that in mind. Have a good day. Again, we've got jobs numbers tomorrow morning, so I expect it to be somewhat slight today until we get that number through. Then we might get a little rally after that tomorrow, depending on how low we go. So that's it. Have a great day. Be safe out there, and good trading.